Meteorologist Todd Santos keeping an eye on the skies out there, and still some breaks in the clouds out there, but the clouds seem like they're thickening, Todd.
They have, at least since this morning when maybe it was a little bit brighter in your room earlier on than it has been for a little bit. We have gotten more sunshine. At this point, there are a few more clouds. Still not a deal breaker. You're still finding some pretty good looking areas here and there. And I do expect tomorrow morning to again wake up to mostly sunny conditions. And as the day goes on, we're probably going to end up about the same in tomorrow afternoon, and then clouds thicken up a little bit more tomorrow night. So for now, we're just on the warmer, quieter side of things as far as the week is concerned. Temperatures for a lot of areas at least upper 60s, if not in some cases even some lower 70s showing up on here. I do expect tomorrow that lower 70s or actually even some mid 70s will be much more likely. So I think Buffalo actually has a great chance of getting to about 74 or 75 for a daytime high tomorrow. One of the limiting factors here is that we've had mostly a west to northwest wind. So with that cooler idea in mind, with the lakes nearby, you can see where the cooler temperatures are. You get away from that lake influence and you see the much warmer numbers off in the southern hills here, and especially as you get down to our Pennsylvania counties. So there's the wind. It's not even it hasn't been all that strong, but it's enough to have an influence on temperatures at least locally. So those are our current winds. I expect it to actually die off overnight tonight and end up light and variable. There's a look at the satellite radar, at least close in, and on this view you see the edge of the clouds, some of these bigger breaks out over Lake Erie or over western New York right now. You see some showers down to our south. That's part of our next system. The thing is, it's not really going to lift towards us until the main part of the system gets closer. So everything's sort of connected up here for now, high pressure and control across the Great Lakes in general. But as that system gets closer, this warm front is going to start lifting up closer toward western New York. Now, there will be a benefit in temperatures, that side of things, but then we'll start to get into some of the rain chances. The thing is, with that next system spilling out of the Rockies, it's not likely to produce all day sort of rain. It's just starting later tomorrow evening, we start to get into some chances. Now, this model has been a little bit back and forth with the coverage for Tuesday evening. And this is something that happened this past weekend, so I just figure I'll share it. We talk about the most likely thing. That's what I spend my time talking about here. So as far as tomorrow's concerned, there's 5 p.m., pretty much the entire day dry. Once you get closer toward the evening drive, it tries to put up a sprinkle at about 7 p.m. I'm not sure that everybody's going to see that, but there's at least that brief chance. I mean, you saw it move across the screen very quickly. It's a very short window there early on. But as you work through tomorrow evening, a shower, isolated thunderstorm here and there. For Wednesday, again, it's fairly spotty coverage of a shower here and there during the daytime. I don't expect to see a whole lot. But the thing is, this gets us into a pattern where then later on Thursday we'll have a chance for showers, and again on Friday. And that's what's likely to start adding up. The severe weather chances for tomorrow evening are off to our south and west. So if we do manage to get into a shower, it's mostly just a chance for a rumble of thunder here and there and a few spotty showers. So that's what we're keeping an eye on in the short term. It's just as you work later in the week, you end up with cooler temperatures and rain that becomes more likely. So there's tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures mostly into the 70s, cooler near Lake Ontario with that breeze out of the east and northeast. And 7-day forecast, I'll talk more about the second half of the week coming up, but we are likely to see us temperatures fading out of the 70s. It'll be a little cooler for this weekend, still plenty of sunshine.